Guys, good morning. Are you able to hear me? Good morning. Just let me know if you're able to hear me. Guys, are you able to hear me? Yes, guys. Am I audible? Yeah, yeah. Am I audible? Are you guys able to hear me? Audible. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, guys. So I see many of students joining. So I guess we should wait for a little bit and then we'll continue. Okay. I see many of them joining. So we'll wait for a little bit and then continue. Okay. Um, So I hope you all watched today's video, divisibility rules. It is a very important part of solving mathematics because solving quantitative aptitude because you, you 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 take divisibility rules not only in numbers, you can use it in many other places. Okay, in many other topics. So yes, Mohan says Mohan Prima. Okay, so his name itself is Prime. Okay, but he has a doubt in composite numbers. Okay, tell me, what is the doubt? Yes, good morning, Nalagatta Pravalika. Okay, yes, Mohan Prime has a doubt in composite numbers. Okay, just type out your doubts, guys. Uh, Satish Kumar S says +1. I don't know what he's trying to say. Mm, okay, so guys, start typing out your doubts, or uh, I have a set of questions that we'll do. So please solve some more problems with questions and answers. Yes, that is what I'm going to do. I have some questions, okay, so that you understand the concept well. Uh, See, in the previous session, the question in last minute is not clear. Arun, the question in last minute is not clear. Okay, sir, you told if you want to find numbers divisible, add the numbers and then check. Then how to find that 324 is divisible 27? It is not divisible by 27. Okay, that previously is divisible by 27. Numbers in a composite number. Okay, okay. So we'll take these questions one by one. Um, See, don't take 27 literally. Okay, guys. Uh, Now you know it, right? If you Um, because we're never going to use 27. That was just an example. Okay, that was just to give you 27 was just to tell you 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube. Okay, they all fall in the same category. Similarly, 3 power 4 is 81, right? So we are never going to divide a number by 81. Okay, because 81 is nothing but 9 into 9, right? So you can check instead for 9 into 9 instead of checking for the 81. And if you want to see if a number is divisible by 27, what do? You check if that number is divisible by 27 is a composite number. Okay, so you can check it in other ways. Okay, maybe uh, 27 is 3 cubed. Okay, so you can check that way. Same doubts having composite number. So for divisible by 12, why can't we use 6 and 2? Okay, yes. Okay, okay. Bharat Yogeshwaran asks for divisibility by 12, why can't we use 6 and 2? Okay. Um, Guys, I'll come back to these questions. Okay. Uh, I think if we solve some questions, I think you guys will have some understanding of all these things. Okay, so I'll come back to these questions. Okay, so we'll start solving some questions. Okay, and we'll come back to these composite number doubts once again. Okay. Okay. Uh, Now, what I want you guys to do is see. Can you just tell me what is the divisibility rule for 11? What is the divisibility rule for 11 that you know of? Because this in this video there is an important thing that you guys I thought you guys would ask me. I gave a method for which you can use for numbers like 7, 11, 13, 17, 21, 23. Those prime numbers, not only prime numbers but 27 numbers like that. Okay, so but nobody asked me that question. That is the most important part. Yes, we look at what composite numbers are and how to deal with composite numbers, but the most important thing is the that method that I gave you to frame your own rules for divisibility. For example, 7, guys, what is the divisibility rule for 7? If you have to know if a number is divisible by 7 or not, what do? So let us take this number. If you have to know if a number is divisible or not, what do? So we know 7049 is divisible by 7, right? But what do? You take this 9, this unit digit, right? You take this unit digit, double it. If you double it, what will you get? You will get 18, and you subtract it with 704. So what you do is 704 minus 18. So you will take this unit digit, double it. You double this, you will get 9 into 2, 18. And what you do with that 18? Subtract 18 from 704, from this 3 digits, because you already taken this 9 and doubled it. So if you already taken this out, so this is gone. So you are left with only 704. So the number that you doubled it is 18. So 704 minus 18, what do you get? It is 686, right guys? 704 minus 18 is nothing but 686. Now you repeat the same process. Okay, so remember we are trying to see if this number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, yes, by looking at it you can clearly say it is divisible by 7, but the point is 686. When you again, what you do is take this unit digit, double it. You take this unit digit and double it, what do you get? You get 12, right? You take this unit digit and double it, you will get 12. What do you do with the 12? Subtract it from 68. Subtract the 12 from 68. So what do you get? 68 minus 12 will give you 56, guys. Now you can see this 56 is divisible by 7. Yes, you can see that this 56 is surely divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Okay. Now what I did is I took this unit digit alone, doubled it, made multiplied it by 2, and then subtracted it from 704. So I did three things. What I did is I took the unit digit. This is the first thing that I did. Okay, this is the first thing that I did. The second thing what I did is multiplied it by 2. What was the third thing I did? I subtracted the result from the remaining digits. Okay, subtracted the result from the remaining digits. So these are the three steps I did, guys. You can solve the same question. Okay, you can solve the same question using for example, you can solve the same question. Yeah, so you can solve the same you can use the same rules for all these numbers: 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31, 33. Even for 33 you can do it, but it is easy to do it. 37, 39. See how many numbers we can use the same method. Okay, so that is what I was trying to do. This is the most important thing that you can learn. Okay, now for all this you just have to follow these three steps. Okay, the only thing is for each number things will differ. Here you took the unit digit, but it won't be the case all the time. Here you multiplied by 2, it won't be the case for all these numbers. Here you subtract it won't be the case for all these numbers. So we'll look at an example. Okay, now why did we do these three things for the digit 7? Okay, so we were asked to find if this 7049 is divisible by 7, right? Yes. So why did we do all these three things? Okay, I'll tell you the reason. I already explained this in the video, but again I'll tell you the reason. Okay, now guys, what I'm doing is I'm doing 7 into 3 will give you what? 21. Okay, now I wanted this 21 to become a multiple of 10. So what do? I subtract 1 from it. Now I got this. Okay, see, this is how your equation should be framed. Okay, see, look at how my equation is. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. I don't want this to be 21. I want it to be a multiple of 10. So what I do is I subtract 1 from it. Now guys, these two, okay, this 0 and this minus, these are the three things that we are interested in. This 2, this 0 and this minus are the three things that we are interested in. So this 0 indicates that we'll be taking the unit digit alone, unit digit of the number which we are asked to check if it is divisible or not. Okay, so this 0 indicates that. Let's suppose we had 200. Okay, now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So what we'll do is we'll take not just the unit digit, we'll take the unit digit and the tens digit. So we'll take 49. We'll take both unit digit and tens digit because we have double zero. If we had triple zero, what will you do? We'll take the unit digit, hundredths digit and tens digit. Okay, so unit, tens and hundredths digit, all these three we'll take. Okay, so that is what the 0 says. Okay, so the number of zeros determines the number of digits you will be picking from the given number. This 2 gives us the second step. Okay, you take the unit digit or to one digit or last two digits or last three digits depending upon the zeros, right? depending upon the zeros. If you have 1 0, you take 1 digit. If you have 2 zeros, you take 2 digits. If you have 3 zeros, you take digits. You take this number, right? When you take this number, you have to multiply it by this 2. This 2 is nothing but this 2. Had we had 50, then whatever number you are taking here, you should multiply it by 5. Because we have 5, whatever number you take here, okay, or whatever number you take from the first step, okay, from the whatever number is the result of the first step is multiplied by the number which is present here. Okay, whatever number you get from the first step is multiplied by the number that is present here. So here it is 2, so you are multiplying by 2. Then what you are doing is taking this sign. Sometimes it will be plus, sometimes it will be minus. If it is plus, what you do is in this third step you have to add the result to the remaining digits. Okay, so if you take 9 multiplied by 2, 18. If it was plus, it is 704 plus 18, not minus 18. Okay, but because we have a minus here, what we do is we subtract. Okay, so you can see 704 minus 18 I am doing. Okay, so this is very important. What I am going to do is I am going to do for another thing. We will take 13. Okay, see how to do it for 13. 13 into 3 will give me 39. Okay, guys, I am trying to write these numbers is 21, 39. I am trying to get as close as possible to multiples of 10. If I do 13 into 1, what will happen? 13 into 1 will be 13. Using this also you can do it. Okay, but but here you have to do minus 3. Okay, so this is not, this is wrong. In this formula here you should always have 1. Okay, you cannot have 3. Okay, so that is why I cannot use this 13. So if I go very close to 10, I'll get minus 1, right? If I do minus 1, minus or plus 1. Okay, so you are so make sure that here you get minus or plus 1. So what I do is plus 1 will give me what? 40. Yes, this number, guys, must be minus or plus 1 to any multiple of 10. Okay, that is how you have to look at it. This number must be minus or plus 1 to any multiple of 10. Okay, now 13 into 3 times will give me 39. You add 1, you get 40. Yes, so here what is the rule? Just 0 indicates you have to take the, so let us take a number and see if it is divisible by 13 or not. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 3. Okay, 1365. Okay, so let us see if this number is divisible by 13 or not. Okay, now what should you do? Take the unit digit. Okay, so the unit digit is 5. So because the unit digit is 5, what happens is you take this unit digit and multiply it by 4, right? That is what we do. Okay, because we have a 0, you take a unit digit and then you multiply it by 4. Okay, now what happens is I take 5 and then multiply it by 4, I get 20. Yes, I get 20. Now what I do with the 20 is I subtract 20 from the rest of the digits. Okay, so the rest of the digits is 13136. Okay, minus 20. What do you get now? 13116. Okay, now guys, you have to look at this number and say, now is this number divisible by 13 or not? You cannot say, right? You cannot just be looking at this number, you cannot say it. So what do you do is you repeat the process. Take 6. Okay, take 6 and then hello சொல்லுங்க. And then what you do is multiply it by 4, you will get 24. So what happens is you will do 1311 minus 24. Now what is 1311 minus 24? You will get 1 2 8 7. Okay, 1311 minus 24 is 1 2 8 7. Okay, guys. Again, you cannot say if this number is divisible by 13 or not. Okay, if you pay close attention, you can say this is divisible by 13, but to the naked eye you cannot say if it is divisible by 13. So what you do is, again take the unit digit, multiply it by 4. Okay, so here we are, I think we have here, I'm making a mistake here. I should be adding, right? Yes, so that is a mistake here, guys. Okay, so I shouldn't be subtracting, I should be adding. Okay, so let us add it. Okay, if you add it, we'll get 56, and then take, if I again add it to, so here I'll get 24. 1315 plus 24 is 1339. Okay, now take 9, you'll get 30, multiplied by 4, you'll get 36. So you'll get 133 plus 36. So this will give you 169. Okay, now surely this is divisible by 13. You know 13 square is 169, right? Yes, or what you can do is take this 9 and then again do this multiplication by 4 thing and do it. But here you know the answer. Okay, so this is how you find. After some time, this may seem like, because I'm explaining, this may seem like very lengthy process, but it is not. After some time you can do it, after some practice you can do it very easily. Okay, so I want you guys to do this. Yes, plus 20, sir. Many of you given me plus 20. Okay. Positive saying, yes, that is right. We do plus 20. Okay, guys. So this is how this method helps you. Okay, so take cognizance of this method, and what you do is, try to solve it. Okay, try to use this for it. But for x, I'll give you an exception for 11. Okay, I want you to understand divisibility rule for 11. Okay, divisibility rule for 11. Okay, the divisibility for rule for 11. Okay, so let us take a number which is divisible by 11. Let us take a large number which is divisible by 11. Okay, now 5111304. Okay, let us see if this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, now guys, for this to work, you have to just see, you can use this method. Okay, and then you can write it like this: 11 into 1 is equal to 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So you can use this method and then apply the formula. So take one digit, multiply it by 1 and then subtract. Okay, but I think if the number is large, okay, I think it is better to use the other method that we know. For divisibility of 11, I'm sure you guys know, it is sum of odd digits sum of odd digits minus sum of even digits. Okay, now this must be 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, guys, so this must be 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, so what does this sum of odd digits mean? Okay, see, you have to start from the right hand side. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, so maybe I'll write it over here so that you can understand it even better. Okay, so that's this is 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, this will be 4. Okay, this will be 5, this will be 6, and this will be 7. Okay, so do you get it? So you have 7 digits here. Okay, uh, Yes, so you have 7 digits here. Okay, see this is the sixth one, this is fifth one, fourth one, third one, second one, and this is the first one. Okay, now what you do is you have to add the digits in 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so that is sum of odd digits. So if you do that, what will happen is, if I take the sum, what will happen, it is 4. So right, it is 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5. Right, guys, this is the sum of odd digits. 4, this is first place, third place, fifth place, and seventh place. So 4 3 1 5 minus sum of even digits. What is the sum of even digits? So it is 0 1 and 1. Right, 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Now, what is 4 plus 4 plus 5? You get it to be 13, right? You add them all, you get 13. So, what is the sum of 0 plus 1 plus 1? You get it to be 2. So, 13 minus 2 will give you 11. So, if the answer is 0 or a multiple of 11, you can get 11 here, 22 here, 33 here. Then this whole number is divisible by 11. Okay, I want you to use this method for 11. Okay, it is easier than this method. Okay, so make sure that for 11 use this method. Okay, and we get started, and guys, and I want you to look at this. Okay, I want you to read this and give me an answer. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? Okay, so give me a quick answer. Ninth one. Now I just gave you the rule, right? Use the rule and then give me a quick answer. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? Use the technique that I gave you now. Ninth one. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? Okay. Question and blocks. Sorry, bold. Without dividing it by 11, just by using the technique that I gave you, you tell me the answer. Which of the following is divisible by 11? Don't divide it. Just use the technique that I gave you. Okay. Yes, I can see people giving answers. Okay. Yes. Guys, it is, see, once you have some practice, this will become very easy. Okay, so which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? You just by looking at it, I don't need to use pen and paper at all for this. Okay, just by looking at it, I will add all the digits in odd places, then add all the digits in even places and subtract it. Okay, so all this you can do it very quickly. Okay, so by the time you write 1045, it will take a few minutes. But if you use this method and do it in your mind itself, then it becomes very easy. Okay, so let's see if people are coming with the answers. Yes, many. Okay, mostly. Okay, most people say it is 1045. Okay, so yes, you are right, guys. Most of you are right. See, it is pretty simple. See, look at this. What happens is, here what I'll do is I'll do 2 plus 0 minus 4 plus 1, right? Here this is what I'll do. So this is not 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, this is actually minus 3. So this is not the correct answer. Look at C. Let's see what happens in C. C, what happens is 7 plus 0 minus 4 plus 1. Okay, again guys, this is not 0 or multiple of 11. This is actually 2. Okay, now look at the third one. Okay, 8 plus 0 and minus 4 plus 1. Now again, you look at this 8 minus 5, this is 3. Okay, but if you look at option B, what happens is 5 plus 0, okay, 5 plus 0 minus, what are the digits in the even places? 4 plus 1. Okay, now it is 5 minus 5, right? Here it is 5 minus 5, which is 0. So the only correct answer is 1045. So this after some practice, all this will take you just 5 seconds. You will just look at the numbers within 5 seconds. You will know what the answer is. Okay, for 11 I want you to do it this way. So for I'm going to give you one more question for 11. I want you to tell me the answer for this one, guys. uh, yes, this one. Okay, which of the following numbers is not divisible by 11? Okay, use the technique that I gave you. Which of the following numbers is not divisible by 11? And I think it is it is time for attendance, guys. I think they'll be posting the attendance right now. Okay. Yes, I still answer. So yes, very good, very good. Yes, most of you got it correct. Everybody's got it. Sir, clarity. Okay, Ledu. Okay. I think it is time for okay. So anyway, so just tell me the answer for this, okay? The கிருஷ்ணபிரியா போடுங்க அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் 11 காலாச்சு இல்ல போட்டீங்களா? ஓகே. அந்த அந்த இதெல்லாம் போட சொன்னேன்ல 3 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு முன் 3 மினிட்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும் அதெல்லாம். அதெல்லாம் போடவே அதெல்லாம் அவங்க போடவே இல்லைங்க. வெறும் லிங்க் மாதிரி போட்டிருக்காங்க. லிங்க் போட்டுட்டு செலக்ட் டுடேஸ் டேட்னு தான் போட்டிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளவுதான். என்ன எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஓப்பன் ஆயிருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருங்க. சொல்லிட்டு அப்புறம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எஸ். ஓகே. So most of you say it is A. I can see many A's, B's, C's. So it seems like a difficult question. So, but it is not. Okay. So we'll see why. So give your attendance. Okay, and then come back. Give your attendance. Those who did not give the attendance. Okay. For those who not responded before can respond now. Yes. So you do that. The attendance link will be enabled for 3 minutes, guys. So I'll wait for 3 minutes. Okay. Meantime, you can have a look at the question and answer it. So which of the following numbers is not divisible by 11? Okay. Okay, so this is the explanation for those of you. Yes, guys. C, yes, exactly. Okay. Hocha Darun class for you. Okay, guys, try to like communicate in English, so that I can understand what you guys are trying to say. Option C, yes, 14 minus 6, yes. See, guys, this is the explanation. Have a look at this. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 2 is 11. So you are getting a multiple of 11 here. Okay. Here, if you see 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 5 is again, it is 12. 6 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So you're getting an answer of 0. So here it is 11. Here it is 0. And here, look at this. Look at the fourth option. The fourth option, it is 9. Here this is 9, right? You add all this, you get 9. Minus 9. So again you are getting 0. So here you are getting 11, 0 and 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 11. So obviously option C is the answer. And if you want to double check it, what you can do is do this. 5 plus 1 plus 3 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Okay. This is 6. 14 minus 6 will give you 8. Okay. Now that is not acceptable. You must get 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay. Even though if you're exposed to this method for the first time, you might feel like this is a very lengthy process. No, it is not. It is a very easy process. You can do this within seconds. Trust me, within 5 seconds you can see if a number is divisible by 11 or not. And for four numbers, it will just take 20 seconds to answer this question. Okay. So we'll continue with this case. So the correct answer is C. So if you've said C, it is correct. Okay. So most of you say it is C, and you are right. Okay. Very good, guys. Okay. So now what we'll do is, guys, 4522. The next question I want you guys to do is try this one. Okay. Try this four. Okay. Not this one. We'll come back to this when we have time. Okay. What I want you guys to do is try uh, this question. Okay, this is what I want you to do. Okay, this is the question I want you guys to do. Okay, yes, 10th one. Okay, try this question, guys. 10th one. The question is, sum of the digits of a three-digit number is subtracted from the number. The resulting number is divisible by. So you write any three-digit number and you find the sum of it and subtract it from the original three-digit number. Okay. Now that final number is it divisible by 6, or is it divisible by 9, or is it divisible by 6 and 9, or all 3, 6 and 9? So give me an answer for that. Yes, option D. So mostly it is people say option D. Okay, D. Everybody says it is D. Okay. Okay, I'll just show you the question. The question is, this is the question. This is a very good question, guys. You very thought provoking. So the sum of the digits of the three-digit number subtract from the number. So what I'll do is I'll answer that composite number thing. Okay. In the meantime, okay. Then finally we'll discuss the solution for this question. Okay. Now, guys, listen. For all those who at the beginning of the session you talk, everybody were asking about composite number, how to do it for composite numbers, guys. And especially one student asked, "Sir, why don't we use?" Okay, what he asked is, why don't we use 2 and 6 for divisibility check of 12? Okay, why cannot we use that? Why do we use 4 and 3? Okay, I had explained in the video that to do the divisibility, so this, why don't we use 2 and 6? To see, what did I tell you in the video? For a composite number, you can find the divisibility check by finding the LCM of two numbers A and B. Okay, the LCM of two numbers A and B. Then you can use that A and B. Okay, for example, let us assume that the composite number is 12. What is 12 written like this? What LCM of what and what will give you 12? LCM of 4 and 3 will give you 12. Okay, so this is the composite number 12. So LCM of 4 and 3 will give you 12. Okay, now we can use this 4 and 3 for divisibility check of 12. Okay, so this is what I explained in the video. Okay, now why we use 4 and 3? Why not 2 and 6? Okay, I'll give you the reason. I'll tell you the reason. Okay, guys, we use 4 and 3. Okay, for this reason. Okay, because LCM of 4 and 3 will give you 12. LCM of 2 and 6, what will it give you? Yes, LCM of 2 and 6 will give you LCM of 2 comma 6 will give you what? 6, right? Yes, so for divisibility checking of 6 you can use 2 and 6. Okay, but for 12 you cannot use 2 and 6. The reason is very simple, guys. I'm going to give you a number. Okay, the number is 6. You have to tell me if this number is divisible by 12 or not. Is 6 divisible by 12? Okay, my question is 6 divisible by 12? No, right? It is not. It is not divisible by 12, right? But 6 is divisible by 2 and 6, correct? 6 is divisible by 2 and 6. So according, so your logic won't hold true, right? Yes, if you use 2 and 6 for the divisibility check for 12, 6 is divisible by 2 and 6. Okay, but 6 is not divisible by 12. This is the exact reason why we don't use 2 and 6. This is the exact reason we find LCM of any two numbers which can give you the number in question now. Okay, so we are going to find for any composite number, always find LCM of any two numbers which will give you that composite number. Okay, so this is the reason. See, if 6 divided by 12, okay, it is not divided by 12. But if you look at it, 6 is divisible by both 2 and 6. Okay, so if you say a number which is divisible by 2 and 6 will be divisible by 12, it is wrong. Okay, only a number which is divisible by 4 and 3 will be divisible by 12. Okay, so this is the reason. So did you get it? If you got it, just give me, say yes or no. Okay, Karthik, yes or no, sir? Karthik Krishna, you did not understand still. Okay, Praveen says yes. Okay. Okay, yes, okay, sir. Clear, sir. Karthik Krishna, clear, sir. Okay, super. Everybody got it. Okay, so guys, make sure you rewatch the video. Okay, so that is the reason. Sushan Vasant says, Sushan Vasant, what is it that you don't understand? Okay, so we'll come back to Sushan. Most of them got it. I'll just give you the answer for this question, guys. I told that 6 is not divisible by 12, sir. Oh, okay, okay, fine, fine. Sushant, Vasant, you have to be, the concept is clear, fine. Sushant, Vasant, you have to be little bit, explain little bit what you did not understand, okay, so we'll address that. I'll just give you the answer for this question, guys. It is time to wind up, okay. So I'll just give you, it is 11:30, so I'll give you the answer for this question, okay. The sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is subtracted from the number. The resulting number is divisible by, okay, so most of them say it is C and D, okay. This is what most of them say. Both 6 and 9 or 3, 6 and 9. And very few people say it is 9. Okay. And we'll see what the answer is. Okay. Guys, I look at this. I've already worked it out. Okay. What is the first 3-digit number, guys? What is the first 3-digit number? We'll make it large. Yes. First 3-digit number. 100. Yes. What is the sum of the digits in 100? It will be, the sum of the digits in 100 will be 1. Okay, so I'm subtracting 1 from 100, I get 99. 101, what is the sum of the digits? It is 2, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. So you subtract 2, you get 99. 102, what is the sum of the digits? It is 3. So subtract 102 from 3, you get 99. So see, how long will we keep getting 99, 99, 99? For up to 109, because 109, the sum of digits is 10. 109 minus 10 is 99. But for 110, look at what happens. 110, the sum of the digits is 2, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. 110 minus 2 will give you 108. Okay, now 111, what happens? 111, sum of digits is 3. 111 minus 3 is 108. So now we are starting to get 108. So previously from 100 to 109, we were getting 99, correct? But from 110 to 119, we are getting 108. Okay. So from 120 to 129, we'll get what? 117. Yes. From 120 to 129, we'll get 117. Not only that, from 130 to 139, we'll get what, guys? 126. Yes. Now 140 to 149. What will you get? 135. Now look at all these numbers: 99, 108, 117, 126, 135. All these numbers are divisible by what? 3, 6, 9, or just 3, or just 6, or just 9. Tell me the answer now. Now you guys tell me the answer. Yes. See, finally you get 9. No, 99 is 99 divisible. Karthi Krishna is 99 divisible by 6. You tell me 99, right? Is 99 divisible? Venkat Krishna, how come people say it is 369? It is just 9. Okay. It is just 9. There is no option, Janaki, there is no option which says 3 and 9. Okay. So 39 is not wrong. Okay. Still, I still see people telling me 369. Guys, all these numbers 99, 108, 117, 126, 135 are all divisible by only 9. Look at the difference between them. Okay. The difference between them is 9, right? So all these numbers are divisible by only 9. Option B is the correct answer. 369 is wrong. Is 99 divisible by 6? Yes, tell me. No, right? Is 127 divisible by 6? No. So 369 is wrong. How come it is 369? 9 is the exact answer. Okay. So if you get, so I hope you understood this. Okay. Um, and you, okay. So, so guys, if you have any doubt, yes, correct answer is 9. Okay. Yes. So if you have doubts, you can ask, or else we'll wind up the session. Okay. Okay. So anyway, guys, so we'll if you have doubts, keep your doubts. So we'll address it in the next class. Okay. And I think it's time to wind up the session, guys. Um, Sudharani says 3. How come it is 3, Sudharani? Uh, Sudharani says it's 3. Okay. But you don't have an option which is 3. Okay, you the options are 6, 9, 6 and 9, 3, 6, 9. So these are the options. Okay, so 3 can, you cannot say 3. See, any number divisible by 9 is obviously divisible by 3. So so that is why they cleverly they did not give 3 as the option. Okay, don't say 3. Now options are 6, 6 and 9, 3, 6, 9, just 9. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so it's time to wind up. So we are looking forward to meeting you guys and explaining stuff. Okay. Okay. Thank you.